Gun cleaning. Way overrated in my opinion. Here's a 2011. Had 2,000 rounds through it. No failures to feed, no failures to eject, one failure to fire due to a high primer. Hasn't been cleaned. Been well lubricated, but hasn't been cleaned. No magazine, the old empty chamber deal. But look at it. There's crud around there. There's crud in there. So let's take it apart and see really how dirty it is. All right, got the slide stop pin out. There's a look inside back part of the barrel here. You can see it's got all kinds of crud in it. It is well lubricated. We'll just slide this off and see what we got. Well, that looks pretty grungy, but the gun works. This looks pretty grungy. All kinds of dirt in there. Look at that. Oh, that's filthy, isn't it? Filthy. Filthy or dirty. Look inside that slide. Look at all the crud in there. 2,000 rounds worth of crud. Look in there. 2,000 rounds worth of crud. Gun still shoots. Why am I cleaning it? Well, I guess because I haven't got anything better to do. So in my opinion, spend your time shooting, spend your time dry firing, spend your time doing anything but cleaning your gun. Clean it when it needs it, and yeah, maybe this needs it, but I bet it'd go another 1,000 rounds without doing anything to it. As long as it's well lubricated, it's going to run. As long as I don't get any sand or big chunks of dirt in it. So do what you want to do. To me, I'd rather shoot, practice, spend time doing other things than spending time cleaning a gun. My 2 cents for what it's worth. See ya. Okay, 20 minutes later. Looks a little better. Crud's gone inside. Well lubricated. Should be good for another 2,000 or more. Oh, someone said, thinking, hey, you didn't look down the barrel. Well, I did look down the barrel. It's shiny, it's clean. Did I run something down it to clean it? No. Gun's got 20,000, 25,000 rounds through it. Never been anything down the bore yet. I don't shoot lead bullets. It doesn't get lead fouling. There's no reason to screw around trying to clean it. All right, now I'm done. AMF.